or you're scared of the wig just hanging there looking and screaming wig, 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 and looking awkward on your head. This process can take you literally 5 minutes out the door. Look at the lace. Absolutely nothing on it. Look at my hairline. Yes. Try that and thank me later. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Marianne with Serious Styles. I post hair, makeup, beauty videos, and a little more. Thank you for stopping by here and watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I have placed this hair on my head gluelessly and have it look nicely in a minimal effort. This video is for those who don't know how to glue their hair down, those who love glueless wigs, who like to purchase glueless wigs. I do hair, I do makeup, I do wigs, and I have a lot of my clients who order glueless wigs. And sometimes we can try our best to match the wig to your complexion, but if you're not around and it's shipped, you receive the wig, you might find that when you wear it, it might not fit so well, or it doesn't blend well. So one of the best ways is to gluelessly put the hair down. And I have one of the best things that I've been using for a while now, and I finally decided to make a video about it, and it's the Erica J Glueless Melt. So this is a gel and holding spray. It's not a glue, so it's not going to be long lasting. This is just for a temporary hold. And what I find that is that each time I put this on my hair and I put a very thin layer, I can come back, tap a little bit of water on my finger, put it on there, remove the wig. I still have my style and I can wear it next time, so I don't have to wash the hair every so often the way you would do it when you use a glue. So what does this glue say? So it says it's non-sticky, non-flaky, but it's also an extreme hold, and I do believe that because it holds it down well. But if you see, if I start lifting up a lot more, it would easily lift, but it has a good hold, right? It doesn't just lift, but it does have a good hold. And it does state that it can also be used for styling baby hair, right? So sometimes I use it for my baby hair and it works really, really nicely. So if you want to see how I use this glueless melt to lay my wig well, trust me, this process can take you literally 5 minutes out the door. So if you're someone who loves to wear wigs, but you avoid doing so because you're scared of it looking so wiggy, or you're scared of the wig just hanging there looking and screaming wig, 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 and looking awkward on your head, stay tuned for this video because I have just the secret. Again, this is a beginner-friendly wig video, right? So let's just say you ordered your wig from a vendor and you said you wanted it glueless. It came and you discovered, oh, yes, it is glueless, but I don't like how it looks in the front. This is an easy way you can use to get that wig looking snatched. So first, I'm going to put on my cap. Cap is already closest to my color. I don't need to do this, but I'm going to do it either way. I am wearing, the wig I'm wearing has a middle part, so I'll just go in with a little bit of foundation. So this is the wig I'll be using today. This is a 5x5. This is a 5x5 10-inch bob wig from my collection. And my collection is the Serious Styles collection. I do sell human hair. So this is more of a gel rather than a glue. It doesn't give you that flaky feeling. It doesn't hold tight. I noticed that if I apply one layer of this, I go out, come back, I can lift up the wig. I don't need to wash it out of the wig and I can still rewear it. So if you use it minimally, it really, you can have it, you can wear your wig, come back in the evening, remove it, and you can always also wear it several times. But if you go in with several layers, you might need to put some conditioner or something to lift it up. But this is a quick, easy way. It's not a glue, it's just a gel for those who don't want glue, the harsh glue on their heads. For those who want something that they can go, come back and quickly remove it, this is it for you. And I really love this though. I love it because it's easy to reach. It doesn't leave flakes on my hair. I'm gonna start. This is how it looks. I'm gonna apply some. At this point, you can either just wait and let it get tacky, or you can use your blow dryer. Well, I'm gonna use my Babyliss blow dryer. Again, I put just one layer because, as I said, this is beginner friendly. I want something that is not gonna stay. It's just gonna hold the wig tight so you're comfortable when you're out. But when you come back, you can easily take it off. And then I'm gonna adjust the hair to fit. Good guys, so you see it was quick, easy, the hair is down. If I want to take it up, if you look really closely, it's kind of lifting a little. If I want to take it out, it's really easy. I can put a little bit of water on my finger and pat it there, or a little bit of conditioner, but use water because you want to maintain the style of your wig. That's the reason why you're using a glueless gel. Again, this video is intended for people who Want to preserve the glueless wigs, wear it multiple times. People who are not familiar with using glue. So you see, I just put that glue, put it down, put a little serum in the hair, and that's it. I just wanted to really show you quickly how easy it is to take it off. Look at it. Look at the lace. Absolutely nothing. Hairline. Yes. Try that and thank me later. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave me a comment below if you have any further questions. Make sure you ask me below and stop by to watch my other videos. Thank you.